Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Das Alter. In the last lesson, we learned the adjective alt and realized that we are too old. In this lesson, we'll learn a similar noun with a similar meaning. Das Alter. Das Alter. The ER at the end gets pronounced as A. Das Alter. Das Alter means age and is a neutral noun. The plural is the same, die Alter. Sieht sehr jung aus für sein Alter. He looks very young for his age. Ich habe im Alter von 18 Jahren Autofahren gelernt. I learned to drive at the age of 18. In deinem Alter, at your age. 57 ist doch kein Alter, um in die Rente zu gehen. 57 is no age to retire. Im besten Alter, in the prime of one's life, the best age. I also wanted to mention another completely different colloquial slang usage of the word Alter. Alter, as a masculine noun in this case, is a slang term for buddy, friend, or pal, probably best translated as simply dude. Alter, du musst das probieren. Dude, you have to try it. Or, kommst du, Alter? Man, are you coming? Like mentioned, this is very colloquial, so use it with your dear friends and definitely don't call your teacher Alter. In today's lesson, we learned the neutral noun das Alter, meaning age. And we also mentioned how you can use it in a colloquial way. Alter, dude. And now it's time for a quick little exercise or Übung. Alt or Alter? Write your answers in the comments and win a free beginner German course. Check out if you want the free course and also check out the answers to this exercise in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!